Well, he's the definition of a professional investor, Warren Buffett. We spent the weekend covering his Berkshire Hathaway annual meeting. We had a chance to talk to him one-on-one, and we asked him what advice he has for the average investor who, at this point, doesn't really know which side is up. Take a listen.
I think they probably should just, assuming they're savers, consistently just buy equity securities over as long as they have a savings period, and if they have X dollars a month or a year to invest, probably buy a very low-cost index fund. They ought to own a cross-section of America, just consistently bought. And the last thing in the world they should do is to try and buy and sell stocks. They don't, they're not in that game.
But what about the baby boomers who have seen half their savings wiped out? It's a majority right now.
But if they keep saving money, they just keep buying. I mean, the real question, that's what you hope for. And if you're buying consistently over a 30 or 40-year period, you hope that stocks go up and down a lot, because when they're down, you'll get more of them, basically. If they stayed at the same price, exactly at the same price, or just advanced a small percentage, you do less well over time than if you actually just consistently buy. But of course, most people get excited, or a lot of people get excited at the wrong time about buying stocks. They should not think that somebody could tell them when to buy stocks and when to sell them. I mean, whether it's their broker or somebody on television or somebody in the newspaper or their neighbor, they don't know. They don't know how to buy it, and I don't know how to buy and sell stocks by jumping in and out of the market. What you do know is if you consistently buy stocks of high-grade companies and have a diversified portfolio, and you don't have a lot eaten up in frictional costs, transactional costs, or management costs, you're going to do fine over 30 or 40 years. Where it'll be next year, nobody knows.
All right, well, you can see our full interview with Warren Buffett. It is right here on CNNMoney.com.